last few years, Aegis has definitely become known the place for restoring some black paint. Take a look. Here's a perfect example of what you can do with a used vehicle where the paint's not in that great a condition. This is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata that our employee Paul bought for him and his wife. Car had a lot of micro scratching. It looked like it had been run through a touch-style car wash, probably by the previous owner, or a lot of hand washing improperly. But with correction compounds and polishing, we were able to get the surface nearly flawless again. As you'll see in the pictures later, what we started with and what we got to. A lot of people think that paint that's in this condition requires a complete repaint to make it perfect. Really what it needs is paint correction. A couple days on this with the correct compounds and polishes, and it can look better than new. Look at the difference in the paint on the top and the bottom. The bottom is before paint correction, looks very hazy and dull. The top's crystal clear, you can see all the metallic. What a difference paint correction makes.